In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete emails in Outlook. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, each and every time you delete an email like this email goes to deleted item box. With this, you have not deleted your emails permanently, because if I go to deleted items here, or the same is here, you can see all the items that I have deleted, which means these were not deleted permanently. So for this to be deleted permanently or removed permanently, you'll have to wait for 30 minutes. You are told items in this folder will be deleted in 30 days. However, if you just want to remove them permanently, you can see we have next to it, if you hover over to the deleted item, we have a delete icon here. Alternatively, if you check on it, we have more options here that you can use to delete your items permanently here. You can also use this option to delete it, and if I click on delete, now I have to confirm that indeed I want to delete this conversation permanently, and as you can see, it has been removed permanently. I can also do the same, but should I want to restore this conversation or email to inbox, then just check on this box here and go to move to here and then choose inbox. This will remove the item from deleted items box. As you can see, it is now empty, and if I go to inbox, you can see the item restored is now available. So that's how you can permanently delete emails in Microsoft Outlook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.